Okay, so good day everyone. So what we did first was average if. What we did first was average if. So now this is average ifs. IFS. AVERAGEIFS. So the one we did first was just average. This one is average ifs. So what do we mean by, no, sorry, this is average if. Just IF, not IFS. This is average if, not average ifs. There's average if and average ifs. This is average if, just IF. So what do you mean by average if? Average if function in Excel calculates the average of a range based on a true or false condition. So now let's now work on average if. So the first thing we will do here, this is the data we are going to use. So what we want to calculate is the average speed of grass, fire and water. So the first thing you have to do is to press equals to, because we are getting the average speed of grass, fire and water. And in our type 1 here, we have grass here, we have grass, fire, water here. Can you see? We have grass, fire, water here. I'm coming. Let me do it so you see it very well. So can you see we have grass, fire, water? So we are looking for the average speed of grass, fire and water. So now we just say equals to average if. Can you see? So this is our intelligence saying the range, the criteria and the average range. So what did he mean by range? What is meant by range is that you should specify the range from the condition. That's the type 1 value. So the type 1 value is this. The range of what you are looking for is grass, fire and water. So we just select this like this. Grass, fire and water. Can you see? Then you put comma. Can you see your intelligence is showing comma? After range is showing comma. So after range you put a comma, then after comma it means you are going to the second row. That's the criteria. So what do we mean by criteria? Criteria means you should specify which one has the grass, the value of grass, because we are working for the one under grass. Then the criteria is saying grass. Can we see the type here is grass? So what the criteria what we are looking for now is grass. So we just click grass. After we have clicked grass, then you put your comma again. Then you specify the range for the average. That's the speed values. So after clicking grass, so the average range is the speed. That's this, like this. After that, then you close the bracket and press enter. Can you see what you got? 61.666671. So if we should take it down like this, can you see? Can you see? So sorry, we didn't do it like that. We are going to do it one by one. We can't do it like that. Sorry. So for fire, we do the same thing for fire. Equals to average if. That's average if. Then press your tab. Then the range of what you are looking for. The range is the grass, fire and water. That's the range of what you are looking for. Then you put your comma. Then the criteria we are looking for is fire. This is fire because you are looking for the average speed of fire. So we are working under fire now. So the criteria what you are looking for now is fire. Then you put your comma. Then the average range, you select everything. So anywhere it sees fire, anywhere fire is in the data set, it will calculate the speed under fire alone. It will calculate for grass, it will calculate for water, it will calculate for only fire. Then you close your bracket. Can you see the answer we got? It's 1. Then you do the same thing for water also. Equals to average, average if. Then you do the same thing. The range of what you are looking for is this. You put your comma. The criteria we are looking for now, we are looking for the average speed of water. This is water, comma. Then the average range is this. So and it will bring out only the average speed of water. it won't bring out anything except water. Everything under water, anywhere it sees water, it will calculate the average speed of water there in the data set. Then you close your bracket and you press enter. Can you see? So this is the average speed of grass, fire and water. Grass, fire, water. So if you do this one by grass, fire, water. So that's the average speed of both grass, fire, and water. So if you have any question under this average, if let me know. Thank you.